The RajYogi Online Make Money course can be found on their website. The course is designed for beginners who are looking to learn about various ways to make money online, such as through affiliate marketing, email marketing, CPA marketing, and more. The course also covers topics related to personal finance and building passive income streams. The RajYogi Online Make Money course provides step-by-step guidance on how to get started in each of these areas, as well as tips for growing and scaling your online business. The course includes video tutorials, worksheets, and quizzes to help you learn and apply the concepts covered in the course. In addition to the Make Money course, RajYogi Online also offers other courses and resources related to digital marketing, blogging, and personal development. These resources can help you grow your online business, build your brand, and achieve your financial goals. If you are interested in learning more about the RajYogi Online Make Money course, you can visit their website to sign up or request more information. With the right knowledge and tools, you can start earning money online and building the life you want. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe my channel. See you next video.